8 hours a day for the team. Give me 1 hour a week for your name. You dig what I'm saying? You want to be 90% of the athletes? Build a brand while you play. That's the cheat code. One long video, 1 hour, 1 week of content. Content is currency. Systems don't sleep. Let's go to work, man. You got to play for that name on the back of your jersey too. Don't let that team send you out. They make all that money off of you and you not getting paid. You dig what I'm saying? How to be smarter. Theory, you turn discipline into dollars. You'll leave with a simple system. 1 hour a day, give you a week of clips. You know what I'm saying? A clean offer and results that will book deals, brand deals, whatever you want to do. I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself. You don't need no agent. You don't need all them extra people in your ear. You can do it, or you can build you your own team around you to do it. You know what I'm saying? If you don't got the time, you'll know exactly what to say, where to post, who to DM, and how to turn your attention into income. You did what I'm saying? Clarity over chaos. Don't just be famous with a lot of followers and not making no money off this internet. You real lame to me if that's what you want. I've been cut. I've been counted out. I've also built real things. After ball, I worked in corporate America. I done ran a logistics company that delivered millions of packages. Teams, paychecks, problems all solved. Then I pointed the camera at the process. You did what I'm saying? My first online payment hit, no luck, just all structure and hustle. You did what I'm saying? I've helped creators flip rusty ideas into roaring blends. You did what I'm saying? I've seen DMs turn into checks when the system's tight. You did what I'm saying? So pressure builds power. So bring the pressure to your brand on purpose. You understand me? You already a creator. You've been in the film room your whole life, thousands of hours. The eye in the sky never lies. That's content. The same reps that make you a better player will make you a better brand. Film study becomes market research. Practice plan becomes a content calendar. Game tape review comes the retention of work. Competency becomes offers and closes. You dig what I'm saying? Don't start at zero. You start with discipline. Most disciplined people pray for you, dig what I'm saying? So you already been a creator. It's already been in you. You got thousands of hours of film and tape on you in whatever position in sport you play. Make some tape for your own, you know what I'm saying? Get online and get active. System. You did what I'm saying? After you get your product, pick the promise. One person, one problem, one result. Example. I'm going to teach freshman linebackers how to read the guard without guessing. That's for you football players out there. You know what I'm talking about. That's a quick example. Do that for your soccer, baseball, whatever it is you can teach real fast, teach it. Next, we got the outline. We need a hook. We need 3 points. We need one story. We need a call to action to come join whatever you got them to sign up, whatever what you want them to buy something, you want them to purchase a product, you want them to book a call, whatever you want them to do, you call offer to that. You dig what I'm saying? Next, you record the video, long form, stand up, eye level, window light, speak like you coaching your little brother, like you giving somebody the game. That's all this is. You dig what I'm saying? No retakes. Tell the truth. Capture that raw, authentic emotion in it. You understand me? Next, 10 minutes, tighten, put it in AI. I'm gonna make a video for y'all how to use CapCut to do your content, but put it in AI, trim it, add captions, a little clean little layover. It ain't gonna take more than, I'm gonna say 10, 15 minutes. It just depends on how, you know what I'm saying? You trying to be perfect. Don't worry about being perfect. Worry about getting that message out and getting it right. You dig what I'm saying? So tighten it up, clean it up, cut the dead space, and on. Next, we on to upload it to YouTube. Then we gonna distribute it. Once you upload it to YouTube, we're gonna put it in an Opus clip, chop it up into 10, 15, 20 reels, and we're going to distribute it across every social media platform that you want it to be on. You dig what I'm saying? Send the same message everywhere. Call to action. Join the People First Collective, man. I'll show you how to do this. Get in with me, DM me. You can find me on any social media platforms. Hit me, reach back out. That's how you do it. Watch them come follow you. Serve your past self. Teach you from 5 years ago. That person that pays attention. Solve problems for your previous self. 5 years ago, let me give you an example of what I was doing. I was in corporate America, hated my job. I was looking for a way out. I started me my own company. I quit my job and started my own trucking company. That's what I was 5 years ago. Teach people how to do whatever you was at 5 years ago. You dig what I'm saying? I can teach people how to start their own business, start their own trucking company, start their own YouTube. You got to start somewhere. We was all beginners once. You weren't always the best athlete on your team or the football in the sport. You weren't always the best. You had to grind to get to that. Dig what I'm saying? So talk to yourself from 5 years ago. Week 1, craft. This is an example. Position breakdown, what to watch out for, what to fix. Give somebody a drill to do. to get better at their position. Your old mistake. Tape room. What did you do? What you used to do? What was a mistake you used to always make on the field? How did you fix it? And why it matters? Next week, body. How do you take care of your body as a top tier athlete? What kind of sleep do you get? What kind of food do you eat? What kind of mobility drills do you do? What's a recovery routine that add years to your legs and your body and make you feel like new? What do you do that? Teach that to somebody. Week 4, talk about life, confidence, school, money basics, relationships. So your other side, cooking, fashion, hiking, your father, culture. People buy the person, but then they buy the product. So be likable. If you're a funny person in the locker room and people love you and gravitate to you, you don't think the same would happen online? Stop being scared. You dig what I'm saying? We don't chase. We attract through proof. You dig? Let's get it. Proof wall beats the hype. Views are a vanity stat. Proof pays bills. I know channels getting 2, 3, 4, 500, under 1,000 views a video on YouTube, but they making $100,000 a month. You understand me? And I know channels that's getting millions of views and they ain't making no money. So it's up to your business model that you build with it. You dig what I'm saying? Each week post receipts, check the privacy, show a parent a message that said he finally got it, show clients before and after testimonials, show your dashboard trending up, show your metrics, show that you really building something online. Pin them as highlights, clip the proof, post the proof. I ain't gonna lie, I got to do a better job of posting my proof, but I got my own channel. Go look at my other channel, Sydney Tarver. Easy money. Go look up Anthony Amato, Russ DeRoy. Go look up Being. Go look up Ratchet People Meet. It's so many brands I done built these things for. Like I'm just giving the game for free. It's up to you. If you think I'm an idiot, hey, don't follow me. But you dig what I'm saying? The proof is in the pudding. Look at my resume and just Google my name, Sydney Tarver, and see what come back. You'll be all right. But post your proof and make it happen. Let's get it. Money map for athletes. Pick one offer first. Route everyone to a page, a link in the bio, a stand store, a school community, whatever it is you're trying to build it. Send all the traffic to one link, one offer, one product. Starter plays you can do. If you want to coach coaching clinics in the off season, small group, get you 10 kids, go do a training camp. Easy money. Film study, breakdown tape for freshmen, film session, study with freshmen by the hour, have them book you for the hour. $50 an hour to go over a film session with them. They highlight tape, review their game tape, give them some game, recovery guide, sleep, mobility, nutrition. Teach what you do for sleep, mobility, and nutrition, what you eat. Put that in the program, put that in a digital product, package it up, sell it to people. Local content package. Shoot, train, edit shorts for a gym or a trainer. Or you do go in there and do a promo video for them at their gym if you're a superstar athlete and get paid for it. You did. That's like an appearance. Speaking, schools and clubs. Day after the game talk. Give them something. Give them a clean price. Deliver clean. Stack proof. Raise the price. You don't need an agent to be intelligent in your business. Learn your numbers. Learn on your own name. You dig what I'm saying? Own your name, man. Stop waiting on somebody else to give you some business for it. Own up outbound reps and collabs. You understand me? You weren't on the field because you took more reps. Same here. 10 daily, 10 DMs, 10 comments under somebody that you're trying to work with page, 10 emails, text messages, whatever it is, to local business owners, to whoever you're trying to do business with to get them to listen to your product. You're trying to get people to get on a call with you. Then you're going to sell your services, offers, or you can set up the digital links and just have your products sitting back there, shirts, merch, hats, courses, whatever it is, digital, link in the bio, send the link to your page, purchase your product. That's all you want to do. Keep putting them reps in, you're going to make you a sale. Collab, partner with other creators, trainers, gyms, restaurant, fashion spots. Let them handle the production. You bring the story and the audience and you split. Joint ventures, collaborations. Think capsule collections that fit your city. You know what I'm saying? Do the same with clinics, camps, and digital products. Be the agent. Don't wait for one to come save you, man. These facts, you on an agency, you in an agent, you a sports player, they got 10 other athletes. You think they gonna worry about LeBron James, or you think you're gonna worry about you if you're on the same agency? Get your head in the game, you dig what I'm saying? The agents, they can't handle all their players, you dig what I'm saying? They got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 athletes. You the 40th athlete. You better build your own stuff. Stop playing, man. We already know what time it is. Know what you're thinking. I don't got no time. But guess what? You had time for practice. You had time to go out and party. You had time for all them girls and texting and scrolling on social media. You got an hour to make a video and record this content, man. I don't want to hear no excuses. You dig what I'm saying? Let me hear another thing. I ain't got no gear. I ain't got no camera. Right here, my friend. iPhone 15. You dig what I'm saying? Quiet room, a light. Get active, my boy. No niche. I already told you, serve your past self. 5 years ago, what was you doing? How was I going to get into college? How was I going to make it to the pros? How was I going to get into high school? How did I get on varsity? What did you do to get to where you are now? Talk to your past self. No audience. I told you. Most of y'all got a lot of followers if you football and do all that. You got some audience. Y'all just not monetizing. But if not, steal somebody audience. Build a, you know what I'm saying? You got to put them reps in, collab. Hang with your teammates that got a lot of followers. Get them to post you on their page. You see what I'm saying? Your teammates with a lot of followers, get them to start being in pictures and posting on their page. They'll do it for you. You dig what I'm saying? Edit for them. Do it for them. You know what I'm saying? Tap into other people audience. No confidence. Reps build a confidence. You didn't know how to run that. You know what I'm saying? You didn't know how to drop back into coverage. You had to practice that cover too. You had to practice that man-to-man coverage. You had to practice that triangle, setting the pick and roll coming up off there. You know what I'm saying? You had to practice that. You didn't get it the first day. You know what I'm saying? The internet rewards honesty. Let's get it. 7-day starter sprint. Day 1, pick your promise. This is just a refresh. Day 1, pick your promise. Day 2, make a clean 10-minute talk. Day 3, pull the hooks, cut 7 reels. You did what I'm saying? Day 4, cut the reels. You did what I'm saying? Day 5, schedule them all. Day 6, 10 for 10, outreach, 10 emails, 10 DMs, 10 text messages, 10 phone calls, whatever it is. Day 7, go live. Talk to people about your offer. You know what I'm saying? Just do this 4 weeks straight. I do all this in a day, but I'm breaking it down for a slow day for you. Because it's y'all first time. I don't want to overwhelm y'all. I know y'all don't got enough time to do any of this stuff. So I want you to take one day and do one thing. If you shoot the video, just take your time with it. Go down the line. Do it 4 weeks straight. Build up your one video a week. That's all you got to do for starting out. Then I'll be ready to pick up on the workload for you. Build it up some more. So let's get it. Mission. 1,000 athletes getting $1 million a year each outside the sport. This ain't no contract money. I'm trying to show you how to build your own money where you don't need the league. If they cut you, if you get hurt, hey, your family's still going to be straight. You dig what I'm saying? You don't wait for the call. You build a company with your name on it. You dig what I'm saying? Draft your own self in the first round draft pick. How about you draft your own self, man? You dig what I'm saying? 6 months a year. You be done posted 24 long videos, 200 plus clips, a wall of proof and cash coming in, man. Your body gets rest. Your brand keeps working. That's intelligent. Getting what you want out of life on purpose. That's the true test of intelligence and getting, you dig what I'm saying? So that's it. Let's go. 1 hour on, off day. One promise, one story, one call to action. We're going to chop it into clips. We're going to show our results that we done got out of life. One clean offer. We're going to outreach. 6 months. Say hello to your new life. Look, you athletes, you already got the drive. You already popular. You already know what to do. Just do it. Add this another thing, this social media, this going to be mandatory in the future. Social media is going to be mandatory in the future. It's not going to be optional. Everybody's going to be more and more digitally and online. So you know what I'm saying? Join the People First Collective down below. Lock in with me, man. I'll show you how to do all this done for you. A busy athlete, man. Get it in the budget, man. You want me a person like me on your team. I done been in y'all shoes. I done played on every level. High school, college, pro. Now I'm playing in the new game on this online digital space, man. Let's get it.